sparkly and swirly.
Something pretty.
Does that sound cool?
But Elsa?
You know, I'm okay without going full face. Just something like swirly and flowery.
Say, what do you want me to have?
What do you want me to get?
I want you to get a cat.
Nah, I'm okay. I don't want to be a cat.
Yeah, that's
Here, you know what? I'm gonna do the colors that match you. Okay, Ruby, but on Mommy, it's gonna be like a little bit glamorous, okay? Just like you're glamorous, okay?
A Ruby Mommy match.
A Ruby Mommy match.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, not photo face painting.
That'll be so cute.
She's gonna be Tiger Mommy. Or Glitter Mommy.
Thanks for having us. It was really fun.
Baby's like, what? It's gonna be good. And woke up and it was like, woo!
Well, I know I'm not
Put a little sparkles, close your eyes.
Mommy, I want some purple on you.
A little bit of purple.
Perfect.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
Sure.
She's looking right at me.
Is she?
Yeah, she's so cute. She's like, I know this part.
Hey, Andy, I may need you to take the baby.
Oh, baby removal?
Hey, don't
Ruby,
touch.
please don't.
Mommy's getting her face painted.
Of course she is.
and like 3 of them were people that have been he had this well, I don't know if there's one because Sandy's you can tell that they're
Why don't you come sit over here near Mommy so you can be in the movie too? Hey, my girl.
Well, you can look at me right there.
Are you giving her a peek?
Thank you. I'm looking under myself like
Because it's Mommy's special day too, right?
Yes, it is. It is. It's all about me. Did you say goodbye to Eli? I think he's leaving. Go say bye. Here, listen, where Daddy is. Follow Daddy and say goodbye.
it's not as if it's not.
Did you say goodbye?
I almost feel like I would
Ruby, did you give Eli a coloring book? You did? Cool.
they have like who does virtual training. And I'm like, I feel like I would just have to get
Guys, pose for this. I'm using some of the airbrush paint on you, which will only come off if you rub liquid soap on it. It's
Okay.
supposed to be able to go swimming with it around. So when it doesn't come off with water, just rub liquid soap on it.
Okay.
Leave you some instructions in case you have trouble. Here, oh, move the mirror, Ruby, honey, just for a sec. Oh, that's cute. One more, because I know you've got guests. Okay.
That's awesome.
How did you get your face painted? It's half Scary Rose.
if he's really truly open to it, like
Do you take Venmo? I wanted to ask you. I have a check too, if you don't.
My daughter setup with it, but I have no clue how it works.
Oh, you gotta do Venmo.
Oh, I know,
I'm saying
I
eventually.
know.
I'll write you a check.
I know, I'm like an idiot. I have it, but I don't know how to use it. I wish I did.
My friends were using it, and I'm like, oh, this is kind of cool. It does take 3 days to get your money.
Oh, is that what it is?
It takes, so if you do the bank and not their credit card, it just takes 3 days to kind of get into your account, but it goes out of your account immediately.
Because I was like, what is this?
It's a 3 days, so if you don't want to wait
You're
too.
gonna have a little lipstick. Well, it doesn't matter because it's Veterans Day on Monday, so
Oh, okay.
so everything is closed. Your closed lips gel.
Not the one you want? Okay.
Tickles.
Sorry. I need to give you just a little black.
This is the most makeup I've worn in a long time. I'll take it.
Close eyes. Don't open. It's on it and dry it, so until you feel better.
So, you want makeup or Disney?
And we were doing a pose, and she's like, okay, she's like, 2 poses, the last one, too much, she's like, I'm getting right pinching. And she's like, and I don't know what to do about it. And everyone looks at me. And Kyla got her into it, and I was like,
Okay, close your eyes, close your mouth.
and then Kyla looks at me, and I'm like,
What do you say to
I was
everybody?
like, and it's funny because it's no different than any other pose we talk about, backing it up, and you're sitting there.
Presenting the birthday princess
Oh
mama.
wow, it's awesome. Thank you.
Okay, let me look at you.
Thank you.